tree.
Street apple tree in USA. Nobody cares. There are so many apples, nobody take care of it. You can come and pick it up.
So they are $15 per adult, and you're running with, right? Yes, you have 3 flowers, and there's cutters available in the back of the property, or inside the thing. Text message or no, oh, I can't print it. It has your cell phone number if you want to do a text. Perfect. Okay, you're good to go. Everything is in the heart of the property. Okay, great. Thank you.
Good recording here.
Okay, okay, one thing.
Oh yeah.
सुनिया ना?
Slowing down. You have to slow down or you're going to stop.
My friend's telling me that it was there. Go.
Yeah. Let's go now.
And did you want the citronella candle with or without the lid? With the lid. I'll do the cranberry.
They don't like someone's haircut.
Did you get all the following? Almost. Almost. What's the other one? Spiced apples. Oh, great. Oh, I love it. Thank you. One of these. It's a beach right here. Thanks. That's
You guys go that way.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'll be rest of your day.
Cranberry.
But some people are like, oh, geez.
It's 5 raffle tickets for $20. All of the proceeds go to American Foundation for Suicide Prevention. So people like me have free resources to give out. That's about 90% of what we bring in goes back to the community, so which is great. So yeah, and the raffle, you don't have to be here to win.
Okay.
You just put your name and phone number, and we'll pick 2 winners and call you. Yeah.
I will definitely go for it.
Okay. And you,
Give me some time.
yeah, no problem. And we take Venmo or cash. Okay. So either one.
Wine.
Put it on Instagram.
Try it now.
Really good.
What is it?
Do you want a straw?
I like berries.
My hearing is pushing in the wrong way.
Across from the tennis court.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
But it is when you go away. My parents are not.
Appreciate that. I do a lot of stuff.
Gracious. That's nice. Thank you.
Okay, so that's the one you want? Yes. Do we know that they're gonna fit?
I think so.
Row farming. So they take it, they find ramps seasonal, they harvest them, and then as they're drying the salt, because the salt comes out of the earth in a brine, it's a natural salt. They mix it with the brine and then let it dry, and it makes like a beautiful, delicate sea salt.
So you put a little bit of everything in this bread, or?
No, this is for, we sell these right here. JQ Dickinson, that's who we use for our salt. Okay, so The 2 loaves we have left, this is our roasted sesame loaf. It has fresh tahini on the inside, wrapped in sesame. And then we have our honey oat, fresh honey from Chesapeake Queen Company, topped with oats from the Eastern Shore.
These are fresh, right?
Yeah, all fresh. Yeah, baked fresh this morning.
How much is cost?
$12.
The whole thing, right?
Yeah.
I used to have an Etsy shop a long time ago. It's not busy. It was just, it's well, we were moving. Our husband was really good. Hi, how are you?
How are you?
She's a good, crazy Valentine's. And the boyfriend's brilliant. Right through the yard, and I'm a bad boy. 'Cause I don't even listen. I'm a bad boy. For breaking her heart, and I'll in the end it's right. I hope you have the time of your life.
Hi, what would you like? Batman?
लो तो फ्लावर काटी बड़ी देर
Good.
ऑल जंक फूड देख वो सर नीचे फेंक रहे हैं आप क्योंकि सूरज ऊपर आ गया ना एनी वन यार तुम ऐसा करो मामा और तुम जाके करके आओ पहले मुझे 3 काट के दे दो
All 3 of them at once. They even look
Okay, now you can cut the onion this one. This one is good. नीचे से काटना नीचे से ओ इतना भी नीचे से नहीं मिडल यहाँ से very good give it to me cut another one
This one?
yeah you can cut this no you cut the mature one then
Huh?
ये काट ले grown up होगा you can use the seeds
Ka.
okay I think okay
That's 3.
so
You can cut. Nah, that's too close. That's 1. That's 1. That's so pretty. I know. Keep moving. काट लो. Is it too small? Yeah, too small है. लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, कुछ छोटे भी हो सकते हैं. सारे big थोड़ी. Okay. That was such a big one. Pick the big one? Yeah. We already got a lot of small ones. Okay. Look at this one. It's like a giant. I know. Then pick the another one. Nice. One more. Right? Yeah, get one more. Yeah, go ahead. Oh man, I'm dying. See? Very good. we are done. See? We got all these flowers.
Spiky.
No, it's not spiky.
You know, where's the scissor thing?
Scissor thing.
We're
to
done.
cut them off. This one's kind of dead.
Yeah, let's take this one.
It's right there. I see it.
You have to find the perfect one.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Make sure when the coloring gets all over your collar.
Ready? Thank you. You too.
You didn't wrap it?
So today you should write the brand menu. तुम्हारी first